Yo, welcome back to Hig Projects. Today we're going to do a new sink. Jen was on Facebook Marketplace, dangerous place to be, and found, this is just our original Formica. The people who built our house put Formica everywhere, which is great, does the job, but could be nicer. So anyway, Jen found this sink. It's granite, and we're not going to use that faucet, but it's a nice looking granite. So she's on her way up to grab a new faucet, and we are going to put this in. Looks like they just liquid nailed this sink in place, which I'll probably just, feels like they even got some silicone in there. So we'll probably just get some extra silicone, fill that up, make sure we're covered. We'll put some big goobers in there. What is this, like a power bill or something? Monday through Friday. Oh, vehicle coverage. So, yeah, just whatever paper was handy. That's liquid nail, so at least I think that's what that is. Yeah, that's on there. So we'll probably just leave that in place. I'm seeing, yeah, that silicone caulking feels like it's okay still, but we'll clean it up, put another layer. But all right, so gonna get this stuff off, tear the old one out, and don't look at this still. We're still organizing. We'll get there, but we'll get this project going. Hey, liking your spot up there? Yeah. Camera's in the bathroom. That's not weird. Anyways, we'll get this going. I'm just going to start this little time lapse and let you take a look at how this goes. Again, freaking love these lights. Look at this thing. Here, I'll have to find you. Boom. Did you feel that? Did you feel that? Boom. Anyway, I don't know, I'm sure I'll use it when I go under there or something, but let's get this operation rolling. This will be the first time I've ever, and probably the last, set up camera in my bathroom. So anyway, here it goes. Thought I'd show you this real quick. I didn't know they just like liquid nailed these things down, but I guess they do, or whoever did this one did. Maybe that's normal, I don't know. But we thought we'd fill it with silicone, and while it's out like this. Next, there is a faucet somewhere. Ooh, fancy medical faucet looking thing. So I'm just gonna maybe put a little bead on here just to kind of hold it down and put it in place, and then we'll go from there. There we go. Jen just finished the caulking. Look how sweet.